Welcome to my video about one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, Grand Prismatic Spring. Located in Yellowstone National Park in the United States, this stunning hot spring is one of the largest and most colorful in the world. In this video, we'll explore the history, geology, and unique features of Grand Prismatic Spring, as well as offer tips for visiting and getting the best photos. First, let's talk about the history and formation of Grand Prismatic Spring. The spring was first discovered by trappers in the early 1800s, and was later explored by the Hayden expedition in 1871. It's believed to have formed around 8,000 years ago, and is created by hot water from underground geothermal features that rise to the surface. The hot water mixes with cool water from nearby sources, creating a unique ecosystem. Now, let's take a closer look at the spring itself. Grand Prismatic Spring is 370 feet, 112 meters, in diameter and 121 feet, 37 meters deep. Its colors range from deep blues and greens to bright oranges and reds, with yellow and brown surrounding the edges. The colors are created by microbial mats that grow in the water, and are affected by the temperature and mineral content of the water. The vibrant colors are truly a sight to behold, and make for amazing photos. The surrounding area of Grand Prismatic Spring is also worth exploring. There are hiking trails nearby, including the Fairy Falls Trail, which offers stunning views of the spring from above. The Excelsior Geyser and the Turquoise Pool are also nearby and worth a visit. As with all areas of Yellowstone, visitors should be aware of wildlife in the area. Bison and elk are often seen near Grand Prismatic Spring, and visitors should keep a safe distance. For photographers and filmmakers, the best time of day to visit Grand Prismatic Spring is early morning or late afternoon, when the light is best for capturing the colors. In terms of equipment, a polarizing filter can help bring out the colors even more. Drones are not allowed in Yellowstone National Park, so keep that in mind if you plan to capture aerial footage. Lastly, it's important to note that visitors should stay on designated trails and boardwalks, as the hot water can be dangerous. There are also signs warning visitors not to touch the water or go off trail. Always be aware of your surroundings and follow park rules for a safe and enjoyable visit. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Grand Prismatic Spring. This unique natural wonder is truly one of the most amazing sights in the world, and is a must-visit for anyone traveling to Yellowstone National Park. Remember to stay safe and follow park rules, and enjoy the breathtaking colors and scenery of Grand Prismatic Spring.